robot. I hate robots. Stop!
At Onexia, robots and humans can work together. Why don't we just take a trip there and let them explain it?
I said that collaborative robots work alongside humans. When I first got started with the company back in 2011, this technology was more of a pipe dream. It didn't exist yet. There were a few companies out there that were attempting it, but it was new. Now it's become one of the go-tos in industry for robotic automation because it's more cost-effective, per se, and it's also easier to retool and readapt if something was to change. So we're meant to mirror the output of a human. So imagine somebody sitting on a line all day, picking up a widget, putting it on a conveyor. Picking up a widget, putting it on a conveyor. Costs a lot to do this, and a lot of times those people that have those jobs, they find something better to do, they leave their job, and then that poor company that is expecting that person to come in, put that widget on the conveyor. So that's what collaborative robots were designed to do, automate the dull, repetitive processes that are involved in manufacturing.
My name is Brendan Grady. I'm a controls engineer at Onexia. Automation is important just because it takes repetitive tasks away from humans, and then their job can be transferred to maintaining the robot, making sure the program's running, and so you're not really losing jobs, you're sort of transitioning into different jobs.
For collaborative robots, we like to think of human rates and human weights. So a person can pick up packages of bottles and put it down at a moderate speed, then a collaborative robot is the perfect fit.